We're on the line with Benny Cox. We're into a 2-day sale in San Angelo. How's the sheep and goat business, Benny?
Oh, we ended up with a good number this week. Of course, 2 days. We had 6,231 we sold yesterday, and we've got over 2,400 to start the sale with today. We won't catch any today, but this market sure softened up some. You know, these big numbers kind of surely tested the market, I guess you could say. We did have some wool feeder lamb types, lambs that were marked. We're still going to the slaughter market. They were kind of 5 to 10 lower. These hair sheep slaughter lambs were 10 to 15 lower on everything, except for some of the really big buck lambs and real good flesh. They could have been near steady, but lots of these lambs were sure that 10 to 15 lower. The slaughter ewes, they sold near steady. Kid goats are kind of weak to 10 lower. A lot of these goats not weighing as much, or the flesh is not as good as they'd like for it to be. But still, those top-end goats, those 60-something pounders, we've seen a lot of those things bringing up there in that, 370, 80 on the top end. We had a few like that, but very few yesterday. Spanish nannies, they sold good, 110 to 218, but mostly 163 to 181. Slaughter billies from 190 up to as high as 275. Not many of them over 250, I can tell you. The spread on the wool feeder lambs, 220 to 246. On the hair sheep type, the lighter end of those going to slaughter, 230 to 273. Heavier weights from 210 up to 252.
Good.
On the slaughter ewes, spread on those was 70 to 118, but mostly $1 to $1.12. And the kid goats, 230 to 395, but mostly 3 to 358.
Do you have any cattle on the yard for Thursday yet?
37.
Okay.
Not much. We're going to have to, we had 401 last week. We're going to have to hurry up to get to 400.
Tell everybody how to get a hold of you, Benny Cox.
They can call me on my mobile. It's 325-234-4277. Office, same area code, 653-3371, or they can always look at the web, which is producers and cargyle.com.
We appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.